might be like, hey, we already know how to do long division, but today we have possible remainders. All right, so use the long division method to find the result when, all of that. So 2x cubed plus x squared minus 24x plus 8 is divided by x minus 3. Hey, I'll give positive words to someone who can tell me what the thing under here is called. The dividend. What is this one called? Divisor. And the answer on top is called the and each asking, what do I multiply this by to match this? So what multiplies by x to get 2x cubed? Well, I'm going to need a 2x squared, right? Because 2x squared times x gets me 2x cubed. But then I also need to do 2x squared times -3, so minus 6x squared. And then I subtract that whole thing. Be careful with your subtraction. That goes away. Minus a negative is positive. 7x squared minus 24x plus 8. Now you just do the same thing. What times this gets me 7x squared? Well, 7x. So 7x times that gets me 7x squared minus 21x. Subtract the whole thing. Minus negative is positive. So minus 3x plus 8. And then I need to times it by minus 3 to get minus 3x plus 9. Subtract the whole thing. And we get those go away. -1. Uh-oh. Here's the pay attention part that we didn't do yesterday. How could I possibly on earth multiply something with an x to get something that doesn't have an x? You can't. Well, you can, but you can't. This is our remainder. And this isn't like our little happy elementary long division where we go, remainder 1 or -1. No. No. This is the part everyone needs to soak in. -1 over x minus 3. Yes. Why is it this one and not this one? I'm going to tell you, but think about it. Because I guarantee you, the most because people are going to forget which one do you do it to. And it almost seems more like intuitive to almost do it to this one, I feel like. Because that's like the big thing. But think if we did this, again, the what times this gets me -1. If I took this times this, bop, bop, I'm left with -1, and then I would put -1 here in subtraction and get 0. That's why it's this one. So this is our answer up here. That's really it. If you have a remainder, you put it over the thing on the left. And the reasoning is that multiplication thing, like, right, what times this gets me -1? Well, if I times that by that, the x minus 3 will cancel, and I'm left with 1. Then I would subtract and get a remainder of 0. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's okay. I'll leave it up there. I'll just do one more for good measure. Oh! This one's got a quartic. If we have multiple terms, we still got to do the same old stuff. X squared times what gets me x to the fourth? X squared. And then that'll give me x to the fourth when I multiply to this whole thing, plus 5x cubed minus 4x squared. And subtract the whole thing. Goes away, goes away. That should be cubed. 5 cubed minus negative is positive, so plus 29x squared plus 3x minus 24. Okay, well, it gets me 5x cubed plus 5x. 5x times that gets me 5x cubed plus 25x squared minus 20x. And I subtract the whole thing. Gone, gone. 4x squared. And then, how does what work? Minus a negative. Minus a negative is adding 20x.
Oh, I forgot about the minus.
So then we need the 4, because that'll get us 4x squared. The x minus 16. That's gone. We're left with 3x minus a negative, so add 16. 18 minus 8. Oh, and we make x squared into x, right? So that's our remainder, so we need to add 3x minus 8 all over which one? Yeah.